Alright, Anton is here. Today we're heading to Genting Highlands. The main question for us will be, is it a must visit or you can skip it? But first a few words about Genting. It is a mountain range famous for its hotels, casinos and theme parks. It's located just 35 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur. Genting Highlands are about 2,000 meters above the sea level. Because of this, it's got a lovely spring-like climate all year long. Nice and chill. It's such a relief to be there after hot and humid Kuala Lumpur. But should you go there? Nah, probably not. If you like gambling, maybe, but if you like me prefer pure nature and not too touristy spots, then probably go somewhere else. Maybe Cameron Highlands? They have the same climate, but no casinos and crowds of gamblers. Instead, you can enjoy hiking through tea plantations, mossy forest, and then drink a nice cup of some good Malaysian tea. But why did I go to Genting? Well, if you live in Kuala Lumpur, Genting is not that bad city break option. It's only 1 hour ride, the road is almost perfect, the ride is fun and fast. Within 60 minutes, you appear in an absolutely different climate zone with some fresh air and really nice view, so why not? After a lockdown, it was just what I needed. I'm not a big fan of shopping malls or casinos, so I didn't even enter the mall, just had a ride around and was back home by lunch.